Hello there, Sharon Durbin Graves, paintingwithacrylics101.com. Finishing up a lot of paintings. When I varnish a lot at once. I wait until I have 5 or 6 or more to go. And so this is a liquid varnish. It is by Liquitex. It's a professional grade. It is a gloss, medium, and varnish. So you can use it as an extender for your acrylic paint, and you can use it as a varnish. I personally like something with a little bit of a shine, and this has it. I also want to tell you, don't use a brush you're in love with, because you're probably going to ruin it, like I've ruined this brush. Thank goodness I wasn't in love with it. No matter how much I wash it, sometimes it comes out better than others, but right now it's stiff as a board. But that's okay, it works for what I want it to work for now. When I varnish, I go I'm on an angle. I give it this is just a panel from classes that I teach. And I'm going to keep this. I'm actually going to give this away, so I want it to be professional looking. So I go at it on an angle. And so the next coat, which I'm not going to show you, I'm just going to tell you this is how it works. I'm going to come back and I'm going to go in this direction so I don't miss anything. And I like it at an angle because if I were to get something kind of too much in one spot, it wouldn't be like this to where you would notice it right away. On an angle, for whatever reason, your eye doesn't notice it that much. Now, I got a glob right there, so I need to get that off. I don't want gloppy edges because, for one thing, if I put it in a frame, it's probably not going to, it won't fit well because of that glob that's right there. Okay? So now I'm going to, I know I have a few globs there. Now if you'll take your painting and you'll put it at an angle to the light, you'll see, yep, there's some places right there that I didn't get really good. I'm going to push that in this way. And then I'm going to come back with my angle. Okay? So you can see, if you'll hold it up to the light and move it around, you can see where I might have missed. Now then I'm going to look all the way around and see if there's any globs of the varnish that I need to remove. Now, on this kind of a painting here that actually has, you know, it's a stretched canvas, I will do the sides, but I will only do them one time. Like as not, it'll go in a frame, but even if it doesn't need to be have as many coats as the top does. So it's to protect the paint. It, for whatever reason, it kind of seats it down in there. It just makes it look finished and gives it a different look. So I always, you know, a lot of times I think, oh, I'm not going to varnish that. And then I'm like, no, let's do that. And it's amazing the difference that it gives your painting. So today I'm going to be varnishing. I've got this one here. I've got a big 16 by 20 back there. I've got 11 by 14 there. So I'm going to be here. I'm going to varnish. I'm going to give 2 or 3 coats. These panels may only get 2 coats, but anything with a stretched canvas like this is going to get 3 coats always. And I just love how it looks when it's done. It looks more professional, and it somehow seats that painting in there. So it just looks different and it looks better. So anyway, thank you so much for being here. If you would like to, I'm going to give these away to people who sign up to join my newsletter. So if you would like to win one of these 3 paintings, I'm going to put a link down in the description and you can sign up there. Okay? Thank you so much. You guys have a great day. Thanks a bunch for being here. I really appreciate it. I'm always trying to help my beginning painters to know how this stuff works and what to do with it. You know, you'll see a lot of, there's all kinds of products and stuff, and I like to make sure that people know what to do with them. I'm not sure I told you about this as well as I could have. I bought this at Hobby Lobby, as you can see, and it's a quart, it's a lot, and because you can use it as a medium and a varnish, I use it a lot. It was expensive. It's $35.99, and that was probably 2 years ago, but I've had this bottle for 2 years and it's still half full. So you can buy smaller bottles, and you can get it in a matte if you don't like any kind of a shine on your work. And these are acrylic paintings that I'm working on. And I did want to say this, you have to kind of be careful. Before I started varnishing, I had signed my name. Well, the varnish started to kind of take that off because it was so new. I hadn't let that paint cure. So make sure your painting is cured, that it's been on there for, you know, a day or two. I will come back and I can repair my signature. That's not a problem. And then I can finish varnishing over top of that. So anyway, again, I'm really signing off this time. You guys have a great day, and let's paint together real soon.